Proper placement of the magnetic mount antenna is very important in order to receive the best signal. Consult a professional installer if you are uncomfortable with installing the antenna or tuner yourself. Place the magnetic mount antenna on the outside of your vehicle on a horizontal surface that always faces the sky. For most vehicles, that places the roof, centered above the rear window or front windshield. Avoid placing the antenna in places where a clear view of the sky would be blocked, such as anywhere inside the car, under a roof rack, the side panels, or near another antenna. Here are some recommended mounting locations for common vehicle types. Sedan or coupe, above the rear window or front windshield. Pickup, above the front windshield. SUV, on the roof with a clear view of the sky in all directions. Convertible, above the front windshield, on the trunk lid, on the front hood, or on top of the front fender. You should consult a professional installer to find an alternate antenna mounting location if your vehicle roof is made from a non-magnetic material such as aluminum, fiberglass, or carbon fiber. Route the antenna cable. Once you've placed the magnetic mount antenna, use the antenna installation tool to feed the antenna cable under the rubber molding around the window. Route the cable out of window molding and into weather stripping around the trunk opening. Continue to route the cable along the trunk wall and into the vehicle cabin. Then from the trunk under the interior trim, into the cabin and toward the front of your vehicle. When you've reached the car stereo receiver, make sure to coil and secure any excess cable under the carpet or behind the dash. Use care when routing the antenna cable into and through the vehicle interior, avoiding sharp objects that can damage the cable. Keep the antenna cable away from moving parts such as gas and brake pedals, trunk and door hinges, and sliding seat brackets.